There's a whole bunch of parrots.
Can I get them some?
Look at all these parrots.
Can I get them?
Yeah, try it.
You can try. I'm not sure if they'll like it.
Look how well they're so blending in. They're camouflage. My good.
Can I throw someone in there?
Yeah. Look out. Attack birds. Attack birds.
They're not attack birds.
They're trying to attack me.
Anyways, we have more bread.
Yeah.
More bread.
We're sort of manipulating the situation here with bread.
Bread! Oh! This bread.
God. I think you guys are... Uh-oh, look at you guys have started. Oh my God.
Mom! Stop feeding them!
We're gonna get pooped on for sure. Look at this. They're coming from miles around.
Mom!
I'm surrounded. They've got me surrounded. They've got me surrounded. Look, they're all coming. It's crazy. You guys are like, look, they're coming from everywhere. I think a branch broke.
Birds can swim it and they swim like humans. They swim like this.
Yeah. They're durkeys, all right.
And that one's like their clan leader.
This guy's cray.
He's the one that makes the weird noises.
He is?
Yeah.
I think he's coming over here to bite you. Oh, he's definitely coming for us. Look at this guy. I swear, if this thing bites me, dude. Jeez. Back up, back up. This thing's getting vicious. It's getting vicious, man. Oh, I'm getting out of here.
Second in command.
This guy's the second in command?
Yeah.
He's back up?
Oh, no.
That's death bird.
Can I chase them?
No, wouldn't be very nice.
Warning to you
I don't know.
when he goes this?
When he does what?
No,
Show
he
me?
makes a sound.
Hey, show me how that goes. Show me how that goes.
No, I can't.
Come on, show me how it goes.
I can't do
Come
it.
on, show me.
Like this.
Let me see. Shine.
Like that.
No!
Come on, show me.
Mom, I want that one. Oh, I see him.
You see it? Get your hand in there and grab it. Grab it.
Look at him.
Oh, I think it's big.
See him?
Yeah, I see it now.
It's the master grasshopper. Oh, he's climbing up that.
He's the master
No,
grasshopper,
Dad,
bro.
look. Dad.
Oh, I
He's
know.
climbing up it.
I know, bro. I got it. Oh my God. That thing is huge.
Big grasshopper.
That thing's like 10 feet long. Watch this. I'm gonna
Or it could be the queen.
grab it. Yeah. You ain't getting cray, are ya? Getting cray, are ya?
Where is it?
Yeah, that thing. That thing's poisonous too, I bet.
Why do you bet it's poisonous?
Look at its head. It's got a diamond-shaped head. It's a viper.